Hi, welcome to today's episode of Balance Bites. My name is Chris Michaud, and I'm a clinical dietitian and board-certified specialist in obesity and weight management for the MaineHealth Weight Management Program. Today's episode is about how staying hydrated helps your body and your weight. We will talk about how much water you need, tips to drink more water, and how to check if you are drinking enough. Almost 3/4 of our body is made of water. Because of this, we tell our patients that drinking enough water is very important. Water helps our body work well, like a well-oiled machine. Most of the water is in our brain, heart, muscles, bones, organs, and even in our hair, skin, and nails. The rest of the water is in the fluid outside our cells and helps carry nutrients around the body, like in our blood. So, what does water do? Well, water does a lot of important jobs in our body. Since our body is mostly water, drinking enough helps everything work well. Water helps carry nutrients and oxygen in our blood. It also helps keep our body temperature just right. For example, when we exercise, we sweat to cool down so we don't get too hot. Water is also important when we move and exercise. It helps our muscles get oxygen and vitamins they need to work right. The energy in our muscles is stored with water, so water helps us keep moving all day. Water also helps keep our bowels working well. When people change their diet, exercise more, take weight loss medicine, or have weight loss surgery, they might have changes in how they go to the bathroom. They might get constipated or go less often. Along with eating enough fiber and staying active, drinking plenty of water is important to stay healthy. So how much water do I need? Well, everyone needs different amounts of water, and there are lots of different ideas about how much water to drink. With so much information online, it can be hard to know what is true and what will help you the most. Most adults should try to drink at least 64 ounces or 2 liters of water every day. That is about 8 cups of water or 4 bottles of 16-ounce waters. This works for most people, but some things can change how much water you need. Your height, weight, age, and gender all matter. If you exercise a lot or live in a hot or dry place, you might need to drink more. So 64 ounces is a good rule to follow, but it's important to pay attention to how your body feels and make sure you are drinking enough for you. The best way to check if you are drinking enough water is to look at the color of your pee. Our bathroom habits can tell us a lot about our health. And when it comes to water, your pee should be a light yellow color. Some people think pee should be completely clear, but that's not true. If it is, it might mean you are drinking too much water. Our bodies can only handle so much water at once, and using a color chart can help. It's best if your pee color matches the light yellow colors above this red line. If it gets darker and moves below this line, that means you might not be drinking enough and could be in the danger zone. Remember, some vitamins, like B vitamins or multivitamins, can make your pee look bright yellow. That is normal and not something to worry about. You can also watch for other signs of dehydration, like feeling dizzy, tired, or having a dry mouth. If you are worried about your hydration, always talk to a doctor or a dietitian for help. We get water from many drinks, not just plain water. Some people don't like the taste of water, but that's okay. We can also get water from sports drinks, coffee, tea, and broth. Even foods like Jell-O and popsicles can help keep us hydrated. When we think about hydration and staying healthy, it's important to watch what's in our drinks. Too much caffeine can make us lose water, and that's not good for our health. Drinks with a lot of sugar or calories, like soda, juice, or coffee with cream and sugar, can give us water, but we should try not to have them too much. alcohol can also make us lose water. And while most drinks can fit into a healthy plan, it's best to choose drinks with little or no calories and less sugar to help keep our bodies healthy. When you think about how much water you want to drink, it helps to make a plan to reach your goal. Reusable bottles can be very helpful. They usually hold more water than regular bottles or glasses, so you don't have to refill them as much. Some bottles even have marks on the side to help you see how much you should drink by certain times. Reminders and water trackers are good tools to help you keep track. You can also use sticky notes, phone alarms, or apps to remind you to drink. Writing down how much water you drink in a journal or app can help you see your progress. And adding flavor to your water can help make it more fun to drink. There are many low-calorie or no-calorie flavors that you can use, and you can put slices of fruit in your bottle to make it taste better. This is great if you don't like plain water. And since drinking water is very important, it's good to start your day by drinking some. It's easy to forget later, so getting a head start helps you stay on track. Thanks for watching this episode of Balanced Bites. We hope these videos and the information today help you with your health goals. Please share this with your family and friends who want to live healthier.